So finally our compress function is complete. Now it's time to test our compress function. So first of all we have to create the object for our class. So class name is Huffman code. So we have to write this and we have to pass some path. So let's write some fancy there. Let's take the path from the user, enter the path of your file which you need to compress. Okay, so I'm taking the path from the user, I'm just compressing it, and let's make some fancy stuff here. So let's print here, and we're printing like uh, compression for your file starts. And we also write something like uh, we can, okay, so this is okay I think. And okay, now we have to do compression, so I'm just use that function. Okay, so let's see how it works. So here this is our file name, which is huffman.txt, and let's try to compress it and see what happens. So I just run that code and it says enter the path of your file which you need to compress, and I'm writing the full name, which is huffman.txt. So when I do this, so here we get an error. Let's see what is the error we have. So it's not responding, just wait for a while. It says okay, current bits is not defined. Okay, so there is name error I think. Okay, current bits it means and that. Okay, so here we are using the bits. Okay, let's see, is there any file written there? Okay, bin file, but it is not the right thing. Okay, let's again run our code and see what is the next error we are getting. Error helps to make you a good coder. Again run that code and again passing the file name, which is huffman.txt, and again we are getting an error. Yeah, cool. Let's see what is the error again. So here Huffman code object has no right, it is in the binary tree because we are using the left and right in the binary tree formation. So left right binary tree. Okay, this is build binary tree. So we are building the heap, we are building the binary tree. Okay, so okay, here we have to use root, not self. So I'm using the root in order to do that. Okay, I think now it should work. Okay, now again run and we have huffman.txt and again error. Let's see what is the error. Txt, where it is at the encoded text. It is at the encoded text. So here is the spelling mistake. So now it's time to again run it. Huffman.txt. Okay, and our compressed file works well. So let's see. Okay, we are getting this. Now you can see, just zoom it. Okay, So for this huffman.txt file, you can see the size of the file is 8.87 kilobytes, 8.87 kilobytes. But for this file, this size is 3.27 kilobytes. So actually it actually compresses the size of file. So I think our code works fine. Our compression codes, our compression function works fine. And now it's time to work on the decompression function, with the help of which we again convert our compressed file to an original file. And this is very good. I think you enjoyed that project. So like, share and subscribe if you like that. Thank you.